So I'm going to talk about the basic research done this week, which was matching and non-matching to sample, which was done with rats. The purpose of this study is to learn if rats can differentiate between or differentiate using the concepts of same and different. This was done by using their olfactory stimuli in the form of different household spices and oils. The participants in this study was 6 albino rats, and their age was between 90 and 150 days old. The physical setting in this study was a modified operant chamber with a plexiglass front wall, I guess so the researchers could see. The dependent variable, which would be matching or non-matching to sample. The independent variable is the olfactory stimuli, which again is the spices and oils used. There were 3 phases in this study. The first 2 phases looked a lot alike, and the third phase is where we saw the reversal. So example, if we were trying to get the rats to match to white in the first 2 phases, they would then match to black in the reversal phase. The results of the study were that differential outcomes and multiple exemplars did facilitate learning in the rats. There was strong evidence for generalization to new stimuli. Novel sample performance was above chance, but rarely reached levels seen in the baseline. And rats could learn to match and non-match to sample, and this was demonstrated through generalization by novel stimuli. That is it.